Good. Yep. You know well. Good. Good job. Good. 50. Good job. Good. Good job, you're fine. 90. Go for 200. Alright, 100. Now if you want to pick the pace up, you can, you know what I mean? You know how to do this, as far as where you want to pick it up or where you want to slow it down. Good, 10. Good, get your second win yet? Get your second win with it? Feel like you're getting that little safe zone a little bit? 20, you're fine. Chest out, shoulders back. You're fine. Come on, you can do it. All it is conditioning. Good, 30. You gotta get pace going. $40. Good. Stay low. You're doing fine. Good job, Manda. Good. 150. Good job. You're doing well. Good job. There you go. 60. Good. 70. Stay low. Keep going. Good. Stay low. Good. 80. Good job. Stay low. You're doing well. Stay low. 90. Good. Stay low. Good. Stay low. Good. Stay low. 200. Keep going. See you at 250. That'll be it. Come on. You're doing well. Stay low. 10. Stay low. Get your butt down. Good. 6. Good job.